Be honest. How many times have you Googled something while coding today? If your answer is zero, you're either lying or you didn't write a single line of code. Because here's the truth. 90% of programmers aren't real developers. They're just professional Googlers. And that's not an insult. In fact, it's a compliment. Because the ability to find answers fast is what keeps projects alive, deadlines met, and developers, well, only half crazy instead of fully insane. Most people imagine a programmer like a movie hacker. Dark hoodie, green code raining down the screen, typing so fast it looks like their keyboard is about to explode. But reality looks very different. It's usually you, sitting in front of your screen, staring at a single error message for half an hour. Then, in pure desperation, you open Google, and suddenly, you're deep in a Stack Overflow thread from 2012, where some random guy named CodeWizard69 saved your career. And here's the funny part. That's completely normal. That is the real programmer life. Here's the thing. Nobody, and I mean nobody, remembers every single function, library, or framework detail. Ask 10 developers to write a regex from scratch, and 9 of them will immediately run to Google. The 10th is probably lying. The real skill isn't memorizing everything. The real skill is knowing what to search for, which result to trust, and how to piece together an actual solution. That's why I'd argue, being a good developer is less about knowledge, and way more about problem solving and research skills. Of course, there's a catch. If you only copy-paste without understanding, you're not coding, you're duct taping random pieces together. It's like cooking. Looking up a recipe is fine, but if you don't even know how to chop an onion, you'll probably burn down the kitchen. It's the same in programming. Google gives you the raw ingredients, but you still have to know how to cook the damn meal. Use Google as a tool, not a crutch, because trust me, that duct tape will fall off sooner or later. So next time someone asks if you're a real programmer, just smile and say, "Nope, I'm a certified Google ninja." And honestly, that's not a bad thing to be, because the best developers in the world don't work without Google. They just work smarter with it. Now I'm curious, how many times do you Google while coding in a single day? Be honest in the comments. And if you enjoyed this little truth bomb about developer life, make sure to like, subscribe, and maybe share it with that one friend who pretends they never use Google.